Hello, welcome back to the Serpent and Dove platform. My name is Indigenous here for a short message. I have been compelled to speak from the heart regarding the matters of Native people, Indigenous people. And when I say Native, and when I say Indigenous, I mean people of the earth, caretakers of the earth, that is. And when you are in alignment with your true self, when you know who you are, and you know where you come from, then you know where you're going, you know where you stand, and quite simply, a native or indigenous person is one who takes care of the earth. It doesn't matter what color your skin is. You could be white and you still can be indigenous. You still can be native if you have the decency to even perceive yourself in nature that way. You see, they call the natives, they call the blacks, they call whichever minority savages. You guys are animals. Well, yes, if you understand animism, you understand that we share our reality, our genetics, our mind, and our spirit with animals and trees, rivers, plants, planets, and the laws that govern the spiritual laws. You see, we share our reality, and when we are not in coherent harmony with these other forces, which are seemingly external to us, but really they are within, all is within, and we are not separate from nature. And when you say we act like animals, you're right. And it just shows your perspective towards nature and the earth and towards animals. You see, we're supposed to be taking care. Where would we be without the ecosystem of nature? Like nowhere. So I just had that short message. See, on October 12th, there is a movement somewhat like the blackout, but it is more towards indigenous people. But I say again, blacks are indigenous, natives are indigenous, Mongolians are indigenous. White people too can be indigenous if they had the decency. I mean, not that all white, not that I'm making a blanket statement, but these are generalizations, not to go off on any extremes, but to see it with a intuitive logic, with a holistic awareness in knowledge of what is taking place. So October 12th, there is the movement similar to the blackout. I'd say promote this movement. Promote it right now. Promote it today on social media, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, TikTok, Twitch, whatever you're on. Library, anything. We've just got to simply take action. And it will be monumental. And something like this is monumental. If not, it would be detrimental to be neutral and sit in this pile of mud. We must first accept that there is a problem, and that there must not be any further division, lest we be divided amongst ourselves within, as within, so without. So with those words, I will end this note. Thank you for watching. This is Aiden Kanezi on the Serpent and Dove Network. You can see my website there, serpentdovewisdom.com. Go check it out. I've got material and videos here on YouTube. I am streaming live on Twitch as we speak. So, with that being said, I will end off on that note. Thank you.